Hi, my name is Anuj Sachdeva and I am the Divisional Product Manager for Air and Rental at Atlas Copco Power Techniques Service. So regular maintenance is essential to keep your fleet healthy and productive. But if you are not in touch with your equipment on at least a weekly basis, maintenance planning can be a challenge. As the strongest link to your machinery, FleetLink enables you to plan more efficiently, thus save time and money. You might be thinking how. Let's start with the proactive planning of maintenance. You will get an overview of due dates of maintenance either in dashboard or in report form. So, you only have to plan resources or spare parts when you really need them. You can plan location-based maintenance. With that information, you can send the available service technician that is closest to a machine in need. You can also combine a service visit to a certain area if FleetLink tells you that also another machine in that area is about to reach its service due date. In that case, the technician will combine the two, saving everybody's time and money. FleetLink will also help you to plan maintenance in a more proactive way when service and maintenance warnings or even alarms are popping up. With FleetLink, you will get detailed warnings and alarms about your fleet. These alerts are cleverly defined by our specialists and enable you to intervene fast to reduce any downtime to a minimum. You might also be interested in receiving notifications, so you don't even need to log into the portal. And rest assured, this information is also available through API. And moreover, FleetLink will help you with improved and easy spare part inventory management. You can easily manage the maintenance kit ordering and planning more accurately. So, no more ordering spare parts way too early causing a sleeping stock affecting the bottom line of your business. In short, connectivity makes planning fleet maintenance proactive, easy and flexible. Feel free to contact us for a free FleetLink demo.